Chapter 10, The World of Shapes. Let's recall. Color the shapes in the picture according to the given color codes. You need to color. Next comes curved lines and the straight lines. Have you ever observed different hairstyles? You can see that hair in each style are not always straight. They are curved also. If you stretch a rope tightly, you get a straight line. If you hold the rope loosely, you get a curved line. This is a straight line. This is a curved line. The following objects are having straight or curved lines. This is a straight line. This is a curved line. Again, this is a straight line. This is a curved line. Squares, rectangles and triangles are made up of straight lines. Circles and ovals are made up of curved lines. Horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. A straight line can be horizontal, vertical or slant. Horizontal, vertical or slant. Horizontal. Observe the top and bottom edges of a refrigerator, door and school bus. The lines formed by them are horizontal. They are horizontal. Vertical lines. Observe the images. When the lines are drawn from top to bottom, that is in a standing position, they are called vertical lines. Next comes slanting lines. Observe the following pictures. Straight lines which are neither vertical nor horizontal are called slanting lines. Then comes the practice coach. Join the dots with curved or straight lines and make at least 3 designs of your own. You can make. Next comes plane shapes, sides and corners. The sides are the straight lines that form a plane shape. Sides are also known as edges. The points where 2 sides meet are called corner. This is a corner, this is a side. Object, shape, features. Bangle, the shape of the bangle is circle. The feature of a circle is, the circle is a round figure with no sides or corners. Postcard, it is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Carom board, square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides are equal. Road sign, it's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Egg, which is in oval shape, and oval has no sides and no corners. It is not purely round. Next comes the practice coach. Write the number of sides and corners for the following plane figures. Rectangle, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Circle, it has no sides and no corners. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Oval has no sides and no corners. Qualitative feel of objects. Jim and Jania have items like pencil, pen, eraser, pencil box, ball, die, carrot and globe in 2 bags. They put their hands in a bag and feel the objects. They make a list stating whether an object is flat or round. Ball, it is round. Die, it is flat. Pencil box, which is flat. Pencil, it is flat and round. Now it is your turn to identify and write about the objects around you in the following manner. Flat, flat and round, round. Matchbox, which is flat. Bottle, which is flat and round. Bead, which is round. Solid shapes, faces, edges and corners. This is a corner, this is the face, this is the edge. This is corner or vertex. Curved face, this is a flat face. This is curved face. A plane surface of a solid object is called its face. 2 faces meet to make an edge. A corner is the point where the edges meet. Solid figures. Shapes like a square, triangle, circle, rectangle and oval are all flat shapes without any thickness. But objects like a pencil box, ball, die, Party cap, gas cylinder, etc. are not flat. These shapes are called solid shapes. Cube, it has 6 equal flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cuboid, it has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cylinder, it has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face and 2 edges. Sphere, it has 1 curved face, no edge and no corner. Cone, it has 1 flat face, 1 curved face, 1 edge and 1 vertex. Next comes the practice coach. Write the number of faces, edges and corners for the following solid shapes: cylinder, sphere, cube, cone. This is a circle, sorry. Then comes the activity. Then comes rolling and sliding. What happens when a Rubik's cube is pushed along the floor? Does it roll or slide? What happens when a ball is pushed along the floor? Does it roll or slide? Some objects roll, some objects slide, and some objects both roll and slide. A cuboid and a cube will slide, a sphere will roll, a cone and a cylinder will roll and slide both. Practice coach. Will they roll or slide? Take a water bottle, push it along the floor. Does it slide or it will roll? It will roll. Take a book, push it along the floor. Does it slide or roll? It is slide. Take a carom coin, push it along the floor. Does it slide or roll? It will roll. Write R for roll, S for slide and RS for objects that roll and slide both. Orange, candle, eraser. This is a pencil box. This is a drum. This is a book. If you place all these bangles on one top of the other, what shape will you get? Draw the images in the box. Tracing flat shape from solid shapes. If you trace the base of solid shape on a paper, you will get the shapes as shown below. Rectangle, you will get a square. This you will get a circle. Practice coach. Match solid shapes in group A to the traced outlines in group B by numbering them accordingly. Match these. Next comes shadow. Shadow is formed when light is blocked by an object. Do you see any shadow in the classroom? Some more examples of shadow. Children are coming back from library in the evening. See how many shadows are formed. Number of children, number of books in the hands of the children. Then here comes the activity. Then comes the practice coach. Identify the shadows and write the names of the object. You can identify and write the names here. Then comes the maths activity. Here is the my project. Then comes the revision station. Identify and write the name of the shapes given below. You can identify and write the names. Circle the numbers and letters made up of straight lines and cross out the ones made up of curved lines. You can do this. Trace your hand on a paper. Name the objects in your class that can roll and slide. Draw a cuboid, a cylinder and a cone. Make their faces, edges and corners. Count and color the given pictures. You can count here how many circles are there, how many rectangles, how many triangles, how many ovals are there. You can count and write down and you can color it. Next comes the worksheet. Use the code box to write the letters on the blank space below and draw the shapes accordingly. You can write here. This will be a square. This is a cube, cuboid, sphere, circle. This completes chapter 10.